Okay, so now we've got to trim the overhang. You know, all of our little ribs overhang the mold just a little bit. And so we're going to set the ribs down first, so we've got a nice flat surface to go around here and trim this on our router. So we've got a bearing on the top, and we're just going to go right along and trim this off. And that's all there is to this step. So I'm going to turn this vacuum on, so I won't be able to be heard very well, especially after I turn on the motor, and we'll get this done. Okay, so that's done. That came out really nicely, and we're going to go do the rest of them. And I'll turn the camera back on when I go to do the back, so you see how we do the double stack. Okay, so now we're getting ready to do the back side. So we've got a double stack on there of 2 ribs, a little bit overlapping. So I had to raise up the bit just a little bit so that the bearing would sit above the ribs. Otherwise, everything's the same. Now the fact that we've got a double thick cut, this is a little harder. It's going to give us more resistance. We've just got to go nice and slow and easy, and it'll do the job. So I'll turn the equipment on and we'll do it. Now notice on this one extension over here, I did not cut all the way. That's because that's going to get cut off. So I didn't have to go all the way on it. And I was a little concerned that the bearing might actually go into our slot. So I just went as far as it made sense, and I'm going to cut that off in just a little while, so you'll see that. So anyway, I'm going to turn off the camera, I'm going to do the other side, and we'll see you back when that's done.